When's the last time you truly felt rested? Not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually? In today's fast-paced world, we often overlook the importance of deep, soul-level rest. Taking time to recharge is essential for well-being, so consider setting aside moments for relaxation and reflection. Jesus said in Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, and I'll show you how to take a real rest." Sounds good, right? God's heart is to fill your life with color and beauty, but we miss it when we're rushing. What if today, you just slowed down enough to notice? The way sunlight dances on your kitchen table, the sound of a violin drifting through the air, the joy of a puppy running straight toward you. These aren't accidents. They're little love notes from Him, reminding you your soul needs peace. So today, take a breath. Step into God's arms and let Him give you the rest He promised in 1 Kings 5:4. I will give you rest on every side. That promise is for you, right now,